the biological classification, the last kingdom is the Kingdom Animalia. This Kingdom Animalia includes eukaryotic, multicellular, heterotrophic organisms. And if you observe the cell structure, so here the cell wall is absent in them, but here the outermost membrane which is delimiting the cell is the cell membrane, which is similar to that of the other living organisms. Then these are heterotrophic in their nutrition. Sometimes they may be in the form of holozoic pattern, that is engulfing, ingesting the food materials or swallowing the food materials, and they store the food materials in the form of glycogen, whereas the plantae will store the food materials in the form of starch, whereas the Animalia animals store the food materials in the form of glycogen. And in Animalia group of individuals, they have individual systems where individual functions are performed by separate systems, and they have digestive system, reproductive system, excretory system, circulatory system, respiratory system, and different types of system arrangement is present, which are performing their own functions. Apart from that one, these members have sensory and neuromotor mechanism, which is controlled by the nervous system, the spinal cord and the brain, which are controlling, and the stimulus will be received by those structures from different sense organs, and the response is provided by the brain through the nerves to individual organs to perform or to show the response. And they are having the capacity, or they are capable of locomotion, which is not being seen in the individuals of the plantae kingdom. And apart from that one, they exhibit growth and development. So here in animals, the growth will occur only up to certain age. After that, the growth will stops. Then they participate in sexual reproduction by a process called as copulation, and in this the formation of embryo, and embryo development will be there, leading to the formation of the fetus. So this type of characteristic features can be seen in the living organisms which are being kept under Kingdom Animalia.